Hi beauties! Welcome back. I recently tried the Skin1004 Madagascar Centella Ampoule foam, and I must say, it's been a game changer for my acne-prone skin. The packaging is sleek and simple, with a matte brown tube that's easy to use. The texture is creamy, and once mixed with water, it transforms into a soft foam that doesn't dry out my skin. I love how gentle yet effective this cleanser is. It's formulated with Centella asiatica, known for its soothing properties, which is perfect for calming any irritation or redness. Despite being gentle, it effectively removes dirt, makeup, and grime, leaving my skin feeling clean and refreshed. Using it is a breeze. Just lather up a proper amount, massage it onto your face in a circular motion, and rinse off with lukewarm water. I appreciate that it maintains a pH of 5, similar to the skin's natural acidity, ensuring it doesn't disrupt the skin's balance. Overall, I highly recommend the Skin1004 Madagascar Centella Ampoule foam for anyone with acne-prone or sensitive skin. It's nourishing, soothing, and leaves your skin feeling clean without any dryness. A must-have in my skincare routine.